Hello and welcome. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, everyone.
Today's topic is very useful for beginners. We're going to talk about our daily routine.
Yes, daily routine means the things you do every day. For example, waking up, eating breakfast, going to work.
This helps you speak about your life. We will practice the present simple tense.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's begin.
First, let's learn the most important words. In the morning, you wake up.
Repeat. Wake up.
Then you get up. That means you leave your bed.
Repeat. Get up.
After that, you have breakfast. For example, I have coffee and bread for breakfast.
Yum. Then you go to work or go to school.
Let's practice a full sentence. Repeat after Sarah. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. Now, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Listening practice. Now, let's listen to Maria talking about her morning. Hi, my name is Maria. I wake up at 6:30 every day. I get up quickly. I have breakfast, usually cereal and juice. Then I go to work at 8 o'clock. I am never late.
Welcome back. Maria has a busy morning. Sarah, what time does Maria wake up?
She wakes up at 6:30. Good job if you heard that. She said, I wake up quickly. That means fast.
Yes, and she said I am never late. Never means 0% of the time.
Good word. Now let's practice. What about you? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. And you, Sarah?
I wake up at 6 o'clock. I'm an early bird.
Okay, let's review. To talk about your daily routine, use I wake up, I get up, I have breakfast, and I go to work.
Perfect. Now here is our question for you. What time do you wake up every day?
Tell us in the comments. Write, I wake up at...
We will read your answers. Thanks for practicing with us.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.